Hello everyone, welcome to my art channel. I'm Angela Bliss and we're so glad you're here for the Rock and Pour collaboration this week. Louise McKay Art and Lori Houston Art just went before me, so please check out their creations. I'm sure they were amazing. I am going to do a swipe over some TLP colors, Show Pony, Hustle, and Rose Quartz, and then I'm going to swipe it with black and I'm going to embellish it with a breast cancer awareness ribbon. So let me get you down. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Angela Bliss and you have finally caught me on my channel making a video. I've been super swamped with commission work that I have neglected to post anything on my channel here lately, except for collaboration, and I have this piece for collaboration as well. I'm going to do like a swipe in the background. I'm going to use some TLPs. I'm going to use an Arteza color. I'm going to use black and swipe over it. I have mixed my colors with Valspar 4000 semi-gloss interior base C untinted house paint plus JoSonja Varnish, and I am using this little piggy in Show Pony. Such a pretty color. This color is like really super pretty, and I've made sure it was a little thinner than a bloom technique consistency. The next color is Hustle, which is super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. I love this color. That's this color. And then I used an Arteza Pearl Rose Quartz. And I am using another TLP Rose Quartz. And that's this one. And my black is Creative Inspirations mixed with Floetrol. When I swipe it over, hopefully it'll bring up some cells. So we're gonna do that with the background, and then I don't know if you guys have ever seen my Valentine's Day video. I'm gonna link it up top right now, but I go back in and paint something on top of the background, and I'm going to do the breast cancer awareness ribbon on top. So that's why I'm painting pink in October. So with all that said, let's get busy and see if we can't get this thing worked out. I'm going to put this on with no rhyme or reason. I'm just going to try to cover the canvas as much as possible. Hope you guys stay tuned for some more videos from me. I am full force after I get these commissions done to go into my Christmas ornament videos. So, and I bought a couple of things today to add to what we were doing last year, so it should be interesting. Can't wait to show you guys. Alright, so I'm going to want the black to be at the bottom, so I'm going to work on it this way. And we're going to kind of spin it here in a minute, but first I want to draw my emblem, my ribbon. And this is kind of what I came up with. So I'm just going to kind of draw that with some white paint and my stylus. I'm just going to kind of do the outline first. So now I'm going to drop some golden fluid titanium white on the canvas. It's kind of outlining my design. Now I am going to drop in some alcohol, 91% isopropyl alcohol. Now we're just going to follow the design with the white. So what this will do is it will kind of give a little haziness when we go to spin it. And then when we come back tomorrow to paint it in, it'll look pretty cool. I'm just kind of feathering this out in hopes that when I spin it, it'll kind of go out that way. It'll be a little crazy looking right now, but tomorrow when we go in and define everything, it should look pretty cool when we're done. Trust me, it's a process. Stay with me. And the alcohol kind of makes it a skin come on it a little bit. Makes it pretty cool. Got a few little fractals going on, which is really cool. Maybe leave that one and spin it out. All right, let's give this a spin. One more time. Okay, that one off the side. I'm going to touch up the sides. Kind of like them dripping over the sides though, like it's doing. I may just leave it like that. I can always paint it later, but anyway. I know it looks a little Halloweenish right now, but once we're done with it, it's going to be really cool. I'm going to probably fix some of these little tendrils, I guess you could call, and come back tomorrow and finish this. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to embellish this. It turned out pretty cool. See, it kind of moved down a little bit and shifted a little bit, but I'm just gonna try to come inside it and I think it'll be okay. So I'm gonna turn this way so that I can see what I'm doing, and we'll get started. So first I'm going to use a Posca pen, black one. I'm just gonna kind of trace the design that I want. And this, just take your time. I'm not real good about telling people to take their time, but I tend to get in a hurry sometimes. Looks pretty good. I think that'll do it. And I'll go back over the black lines again. I just want to put some paint in here. So I am going to use Pearl Rose Quartz, some Pearl Magenta, Pearl Pink, and I'm just going to brush these on with a brush. Just want to have some different values of pink. So this is just going to be very random. I'm just going to fill it in. And I want to start with the darkest color first. Got a quinacridone magenta and a medium magenta. Let's see if these two work. And just a friendly reminder, if you have not scheduled your mammogram this month or haven't had one this year, please do not hesitate to do that. It's very important that we take care of our bodies and check things, because the sooner we find out something's wrong, then our fight has a better chance and we can get through it a little easier. So please, by all means, this is a buddy check. Okay, I think I like that. I'm going to rinse my brush, and I'm just going to give this like a frosty glaze, probably with this rose quartz, pearl rose quartz on top, maybe a shimmer. Now I'm going to take this pen. I'm going to take my larger one, Posca pen in white. So now I'm just going to take this. I'm going to go all the way around it with white. And I'll also thicken up the black border as well. Just going to kind of help us define this a little better. It's going to make it pop a little better off the canvas. This is probably going to be sped up quite a bit because we're limited with time on our collaboration, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay. Look at that. I'm going to do the black again. And we'll just speed through this since you guys know what I'm doing. I'm going to use my big black. Get a more defined black line around the edge. And if you have not invested in some Posca pens, you need to, because they work miracles. I think I got these at Jerry's when they were like 40% off. I got the big package of these. Now my small ones aren't Posca pens, but my next purchase will be the smaller tips of the Posca pens. They're just an acrylic paint marker. Okay, you're going to maybe just brush some water on this and see what happens. A little bit more definition in the color. Now I'm going to take some golden carbon black fluid paint and I'm going to make a shadow. Then I'll probably touch up the white a little bit and then we'll call it good. I'm just pulling that black over it just to kind of create a little shadow. And this is just a liner brush. Causes a pretty cool effect. Okay. That looks good. Look at that. I love it. It's so pretty. I'm going to call that done. I will probably fix up the white around the edges a little more and call it good. So I'm gonna get you down for a close-up. Thanks guys. Okay guys, here it is. It's gonna be really pretty if I resin it or varnish it, but it's super pretty. I just love it. Turned out better than I thought it would. So love it. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely am smitten by it. So pretty. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day.